Hello guys, welcome to our Excuse Me Max channel. In the video last 7 years PYQ இருந்து first chapter ஓட 5 marks questions மட்டும் பார்க்க போறோம். First question, solve by Cramer's rule the system of equations x1 minus x2 is equal to 3, 2x1 plus 3x2 plus 4x3 is equal to 17, x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 7. இது 2025 கேட்ட question. இது நம்ம bookல example 1.25. To solve by Cramer's rule, first evaluate the main determinant delta from the coefficient matrix. That is delta is equal to determinant of 1 minus 1 0 2 3 4 0 1 2. So that is equal to 6, which is not equal to 0. Then find delta 1 by replacing first column by the constant. You know the numbers on the right hand side are called the constants or constant terms. In the textbook, these constants are denoted by b1, b2, b3. That is delta 1 is equal to 3 minus 1 0, 17 3 4, 7 1 2 is equal to 12. And similarly find delta 2 by replacing second column by the constant. That is delta 2 is equal to minus 6. And similarly find delta 3 by replacing the third column by the constant. That is delta 3 is equal to 24. Then apply Cramer's rule. x1 is equal to delta 1 by delta is equal to 2 and x2 is equal to delta 2 by delta is equal to minus 1 and x3 is equal to delta 3 by delta is equal to 4 is the solution of this problem. Next question, solve the system of linear equations by Cramer's rule. 3 by x minus 4 by y minus 2 by z minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 by x plus 2 by y plus 1 by z minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 by x minus 5 by y minus 4 by z plus 1 is equal to 0. இது 2024 கேட்ட question. இது நம்ம bookல exercise 1.4 fourth sum. For this problem, convert the equation into the standard form ax is equal to b by moving the constants to the right hand side, like 3 by x minus 4 by y minus 2 by z is equal to 1. 1 by x plus 2 by y plus 1 by z is equal to 2. 2 by x minus 5 by y minus 4 by z is equal to minus 1. Since the unknowns are 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z, let us keep 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y is equal to b, 1 by z is equal to c. Then the system becomes 3a minus 4b minus 2c is equal to 1. a plus 2b plus c is equal to 2, 2a minus 5b minus 4c is equal to minus 1. Then find the main determinant delta is equal to determinant of a, that is equal to minus 15, which is not equal to 0. Then apply Cramer's rule and find delta x, delta y and delta z by replacing the first, second and third columns with the constants. That is, we have delta x is equal to minus 15, delta y is equal to minus 5 and delta z is equal to minus 5. Now calculate a is equal to delta x by delta, which is equal to minus 15 by minus 15 is equal to minus 1. And since a is equal to 1 by x, we have x is equal to 1. Then b is equal to delta y by delta is equal to minus 5 by minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Since b is equal to 1 by y, we have y is equal to 3. Similarly, c is equal to delta z by delta is equal to minus 5 by minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Since c is equal to 1 by z, we have z is equal to 3. So therefore, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3 and z is equal to 3 is the solution of this problem. Next question, a boy is walking along the path y is equal to ax cube plus bx plus c through the points minus 6, 8, minus 2, minus 12 and 3, 8. He wants to meet his friend at p of 7, 60. Will he meet his friend? Use Gaussian elimination method. இது 2023 கேட்ட question. இது exercise 1.5 fourth problem. Here you have given y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Substitute each given points, that is minus 6, 8, minus 2, minus 12 and 3, 8 to obtain three linear equations in a, b and c. That is, you substitute minus 6, 8, you get this 8 is equal to 36a minus 6b plus c. And when you substitute minus 2, minus 12, you get minus 12 is equal to 4a minus 2b plus c. Finally, if you substitute 3 comma 8, you get 8 is equal to 9a plus 3b plus c. Now write the augmented matrix corresponding to these equations. So here the augmented matrix. Now apply Gaussian eliminations, row operations to convert the matrix into row ecolian form. So we have performed all these operations to convert into row ecolian form, and finally writing the equivalent equations from the row ecolian matrix, we get 36a minus 6b plus c is equal to 8, minus 3b plus 2c is equal to minus 29, 5c is equal to minus 50. From this we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, c is equal to minus 10. So substitute a, b, c in the given equation. You get the path of the boy is y is equal to x square plus 3x minus 10. Next, to find whether he meets his friend at 7, 60 is substitute in the equation y is equal to x square plus 3x minus 10. We get 60 is equal to 7 square plus 3 into 7 minus 10. So it satisfies 60 is equal to 60. So therefore he meets his friend. Next problem. Test the consistency of the following system of linear equations. X minus y plus z is equal to minus 9, 2x minus y plus z is equal to 4, 3x minus y plus z is equal to 6, 4x minus y plus 2z is equal to 7 by rank method. This is 2020 கேட்ட question. This is example 1.32. For this, write the system of linear equations in the form Ax is equal to b. Then form the augmented matrix. We get this matrix and apply elementary row operations to reduce into row ecolian form. So we have done all these operations and we have got row ecolian form, and from this we got rank of A is equal to 3 and rank of augmented matrix is equal to 4 and number of unknowns, that is n, is equal to 3. So consistency கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So first consistency rules என்னன்னு பார்த்துக்கோங்க. That is, if rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix is equal to n, the system is consistent with a unique solution. And if rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix is less than n, the system is consistent with infinitely many solutions. Then if rank of A is not equal to rank of augmented matrix, the system is inconsistent, that is no solution. So here in this problem, rank of A is not equal to rank of augmented matrix. So therefore the system is inconsistent and has no solution. Next, fifth problem. Test for consistency and solve the system of equations x minus y plus 2z is equal to 2, 2x plus y plus 4z is equal to 7, 4x minus y plus z is equal to 4 by Cramer's rule. This is 2021 கேட்ட question. This is exercise 1.6 first sum. First write the given equation in the form of Ax is equal to b, where A is equal to matrix of 1 minus 1 2, 2 1 4, 4 minus 1 1, and x is equal to matrix of x y z, and b is equal to matrix of 2 7 4. Find the main determinant. Delta is equal to determinant of A is equal to minus 21, which is not equal to 0. Then find delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 by replacing the first, second and third columns with the constants. That is, we have delta 1 is equal to minus 21, delta 2 is equal to minus 21 and delta 3 is equal to minus 21. Then apply Cramer's rule. We get x is equal to delta 1 by delta, which is equal to 1, y is equal to delta 2 by delta, which is equal to 1, and z is equal to delta 3 by delta, which is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1 is the solution of this problem. இதோட 5 marks questions முடிஞ்சது. இனி next second unit போலாம். இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், அப்படியே சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.